that one on the reason.
In a year,
We're
man.
about our life, we're talking about everything, so they are really session cause so I don't know what you want to say your 2 cents
No,
about
me
it.
not have nothing to say. No, Queenie, I'm a general. Me not say nothing about Queenie. I have good or bad. Me not say
No,
nothing
we have
at
to, we
all.
have to say about
Queenie,
the conversation where we are talking about. But I wrote,
me just come on here, me say, me just come on and say blood clot. I think over here, me I go send in a little request.
Sandy
Me not
and
really
boys
say
pick up on the damn self. RT boss over here bully me, I brainwash me, I tell me about me should I do this that way. I say RT, after life go, you have to
do
go through the good, the bad,
what
and the
way? What
ugly.
kind of way? Me like how you say any age you take on.
yeah, that's a reach. That's a reach. Me ask her if.
Yeah, any age.
Me
The
not
blood
make no
clot your
plans.
pussy not done. Eh?
After my life not end, what the fuck?
And that me
I
fi tell
feel
you,
so, me
don't
want
mind
to
the
start
dirty people
selfish
them. All of who we attack, don't mind them. Oh, man, I
Cheers.
ask.
Now I start sell some pussy now, cause me never get
No,
paid for my
no
pussy
man,
yesterday,
no
right?
man. It too, no, if not, you bigger than that, Queenie. You must have blood clot, man. You think tougher than that.
Them have to pay me for my pussy. So
No,
when them have come talk, any blood clot man want me have to pay for blood clot.
I like that.
so you thought different
I
thing
will
that
take
man,
it
but
from that. Yeah.
Yes, I like that.
You know, I got to take a relationship where me I go build somebody and banking and them
Come
and I get
on.
no
I
interest.
true,
So
I
Hey.
true, I true.
Huh.
all them there, everybody, them have to blood clot buy me
I
shoes and handbag and buy
hear
my
you.
plane ticket.
Cute and girly. I
Yes.
lie.
Mm-hmm.
So that mean me I go sell
But
pussy,
me
me
not
not go
tell
even
you
Yes.
pull
like
up.
that. But
I
Queenie
get
come
enough
like the
work done for
Sagittarius, they were
retirement.
attracted to broke man.
Yeah, I am, you know, I
Yeah,
am.
I
man.
swear
Sure. Come
to
on.
God, I never get a nigga that's fucking rich.
Come
I
on.
need a rich nigga now.
I'm
The
attracted to
fuck?
black niggas to true, you know.
We
Me no want
attracted to
no
them. I
more
don't
broke
know what
blood
do it
clot
so. With the
cocky
blood
man. Them
clot
have
You
to
know
is
what
them
we
pay
want to
me
take?
ever
to
have no
bring in a
money.
birth and value. So when them diss me, I can say, can go treat myself and go to Dubai, go take a holiday. Fuck that.
Yeah, but
Not tell
Queenie, we have to
you.
work on the age for that now, Queenie. Now, let me get my little input. Since
You have
you are,
some rich
Any
papa boy
yeah,
out there. Where you
you
the
have to
talk
woman
work
I
on
about?
the
take
age.
on you just
Party. You have some
40
boy
and
up on
50.
this I chop the blood clot line. It don't matter about
But
age.
Queenie, may
I
I
want
tell
your
you,
auntie.
Queenie, 40
Yes.
and 50 is a proper man, to what you are saying.
you must be blood
From
clot
40-year
man.
old.
40 and 50 for you, darling.
Okay.
40
So
and 50, you can't go wrong.
should I take your advice then?
40 and 50, darling. Yes.
RT and every time the 40 and 50-year-old the man
That,
they make sense. Some of them
that's
worse than
true.
the young boy them.
But
Thank you,
she
Jim.
not just take one, two, and then
You
Yeah,
know
but
why my
that
husband get away with so much murder? I'm age.
yeah.
mm,
So
Right now,
a 40
listen
or
man.
50-year-old man are gonna be a wicked challenge with me. So
Me not ask. What of them give on you, where them go on you
hey,
themselves?
cheese. Yeah,
Mm.
one
but I
of
know.
them lions, you know, like conniving.
I true do.
I forgot to say, I'm Queen. When it's why cheese, Lord,
Me
cheese
not tell
controller.
Queenie said they with no teenager.
Me no want a
But
teenager.
once them pass
So, would you believe
21,
the Queen if you with another
lick
young
them
man?
down.
I don't believe
No,
Queen.
30 I'm age bracket, 33 and up.
No, Queenie. Not
In
33.
that same age, 33 and up. You're
No,
right with that.
Queenie. 43 and up.
But
Remember, boy, cocking
33,
off
what
no
the woman
age, you
say
know, boy, can't
33
trick you by the blood
RT.
clot. Boy, cocking off no age, and boy, can't trick you. Move on a dirty blood clot and go do
Cute
what
and
me say.
girly.
I'm not lie, boy, cocking off no age.
Mm.
Anybody when I get them off a conquer me have money
So
behind
like
it.
how me a 40, like how me a 40, I gonna be 41 now. RT, what age man me for take?
Mm. All right, for you, what your age again? 41, no. So if you take somebody and I'm 38 and 39,
Your blood
you
clot
can call
man.
me
Me
young.
want no old man.
But cheese, what you have to understand,
Me
when
no
old man, the
want no
maturity,
old
you've been there
man.
and done that. Hold on. With
Yeah.
the age is been
Done
there and
been
done
there
that.
and done that with
I
my
don't know
age
if you
group
do it.
already.
Auntie, I energy do it. A connection, you know.
Yeah.
Let me
Yeah,
tell
but
you something.
experience have a lot to do with relationship.
It's all good for talk about experience now. When you have somebody connect, you say, and them sweep you away. You don't remember not
No,
about age
but
explain.
yeah, me not ask. I want the
All right,
RT,
I
man.
reach the blood. Listen, the boy all lie to you, you know, say I lie, you lie to
Yeah,
yourself
but
and to me.
but
So wrap
Queenie,
them in a love in your chair
your
right there, so.
When the
experience.
boy we spend our ears and lie to you, you know, say I lie now, you lie back
Now
to your
you
blood
take the
clot
lie.
self and take the lie.
Huh?
You can't sit down and plan age and the person energy and what them come with and some people, some man are general enough. Some
Hey,
man,
girl, come like you know, like that life, yeah. I wish they would just talk up her mouth a while ago. You, girl, you have to come off. You have to come down. Then they tell you, say, me not have no time for do the tracing with girl. My black girl. Hey, girl, where's your name? Yelly Gaza, come off a blood clot, yeah.
A black people and poison
Darling.
them.
I think a blood clot is what?
Black people and poison them. So if you don't want to get black
Mm.
and poison, come on.
Hey, girl, don't hold an argument to me about son. Can you young and put it down?
Are we
hello?
ham cheese?
Hello? What? Hmm?
I saw they love get trouble in the comment you.
What, baby?
I'm there for them.
Eh?
Yeah, father got me little dumpling and my little banana and my little chicken breast cute. And
Sure.
that man, and a big up father got for this.
Queenie,
And
where
you
you
keep
see
on saying,
yourself? Where you see yourself in the next 2 years? What you want to do? What your business agenda? When
Oh,
you
me?
move on, yeah. What your next step? What you want to
The
do?
2nd of December, me I drop my EP with 6 songs.
And
And then me take it from there, so. Me not have no other plan. Me just know me have to beer music.
but the music come back to the listening topic, so I guess we not change it. We're on the topic again.
What are you saying then?
Because if you're going to do the music, you have to listen to the producer and you have to come up with.
RT boss, me reach far where me I reach
yeah,
with being
yeah.
myself, RT. Stop dictate to me, madam.
No,
You
I'm
know,
for a reason, darling.
RT, any bumper will come away and feel like them can humiliate me. Me no want to deal with them.
No, but listen what
Me
I'm
prefer
saying.
stay by myself. Me not listen RT after me stay
If you're
RT.
saying you're
Because you
going to
violate me.
never violate you,
No, me say,
mm.
if a producer come and violate me, me no want to do nothing with them. Me no care what you want, so me not listen.
all right, but
From my heart leap, me no bother want to do nothing with them. I saw
yeah,
me see
but it's not
RT.
going. But listen, that behavior is not going to work. I eat me there from morning and say that.
RT, it work and put me where me reach. What the
what
fuck
am I
you
feel?
tell me, say,
You're
sir?
not gonna feel that.
And somebody put me which me there, and
You
me put myself where me
need
reach with
to
my behavior,
work
everything me
hard.
RT.
So if you're not going to listen to the producer and the manager and deliver how him want it and when him
Me know
have
why you come tell me about a blood clot.
Something
Listen,
will
no,
face the
no.
girl that asks
No
about
boy
face.
can
Look
come
at
tell me
that.
what me to sing for a song and with them.
Look
Me know
at
what say
that.
RT.
No filter.
My experience and my experience. So if you can't stand by me and can't accept me for who me is, fuck that. Let RT talk on a pussy wall and a go. I leave my RT alone and fuck
I
off.
said the so could them see
RT
in a
can't come
comment,
up here and tell
man.
me how me for steer my life. Man, I yes blood clot girl, me a queen.
Never gonna feel. Oh, me I get my body right. Food no me not showing me yet. Well, watch it for art
Yeah,
video
don't make
them.
them
Cute.
say. But them
And
fret and
smash
wonder
out
about
moon,
the
yes.
money. But RT, you make no flicker sense still, but away from
Queenie,
that.
Queenie. You, let me go back in your element. You remember when you conquer your marriage? When Dewey conquer you? And Dewey conquer you by say, he want to marry you, he conquer you. And you feel good, the queen marriage. All right, now. The queen want the dance hall. And the queen want the music. So the queen have to go back up in her element again, in the queen element, and say, oh, all right, the queen have to listen.
It's the
The
one
queen
to
have
me
to
face.
listen. The queen have to take talk. The queen cannot make a decision on her own. She has to get approval from her cabinet. So she have to listen. And then she just make the decision, not by herself. When it comes
What
to
cabinet are you telling me to listen? What are you talking
the
about, RT?
all right, man, all right. I'm trying to say,
Embarrassment,
Queenie, you
they
must
like
listen
my
to the
I know.
producer, the manager,
Which
anybody.
fucking producer you talk about, RT? Yeah, I'm a producer. Leave me alone and a plan for you, see, brother. Leave my
But
brains alone.
whoever you are deal with, you have to listen to.
RT, I don't want to hear RT. Suppose me not get another producer. Leave me alone, RT. Me, I'm one producer.
Queenie,
You're 2 and 9. Leave me alone, RT. What you tell me about listen to fucking promoter? You still tell me for be rascal, idiot girl promoter want fuck me up and tell me for suck him hood. Because later, me I go release my song.
Then you go through that. You experience that. So you experience that. You run from it.
No, I'm not experience. And that me I tell you, say, when you tell me listen, I will
But me not talk them
you
the
can't
way
tell me
they
listen what me not see
Me
yet.
mean, like, if the man say want the song that way, and him tell you how to do the song, and tell you how to sing the song, and how to
I'm not going to sing the song the way how them want me to sing
yeah,
it.
so right now you will allow them to monitor your career. And if them come out and say, Queenie,
Archie, when me I sing double tapping in my kitchen, I might buy scary to the world, my daddy. I'm me being myself. I believe in myself. I not believe in no man when I say. I not make no plans for no blood clot promoter, producer. I'm myself I make plans for. I see if you can't comply with me when I work with you. Well, it not gonna work, brother.
All right, what's this next one now?
People want to tell me for sing things when me no want to sing. I am not gonna sing it.
You can't sound the all.
What is now, Queenie? Your career is in your hand, and you are all in on your career. So if you really want that career, you have to listen, and that's all I have to say to you. Because would I like to see the career prosper?
You just like to get advice. Listen to who, I still ask you.
Listen to who? All right, listen now. Yeah. Whoever you used to work before, me hear the word scandal, me get you understand, say,
I listen.
Well on. And previous before, I listen. Remember the tough head man where in England, they were work the song together.
Don't close.
Hey, he mentioned and they with the things say,
him not pay me no man. Him not pay me no man.
Yeah, but when I say to you, the next time them people are coming in your life, all you do is work with them. Like for example, you link Ramesh and say, Ramesh, me want you help me do one song, you can do something for me. And you do it. And anything Ramesh say, you just follow. And just know say, you follow every word when you say.
But you come tell me now, yes, girl. I'm to your RT, leave me alone. I am not gonna follow everything RT. Come and think different from woman, darling. That is one. And as a queen, somebody put a proposal to you, you have to careful of chat and counteract back that, darling.
Cheesy Blase, you look good, man.
If me as a queen can counteract things and come to some agreement and me I gonna be yes girl, what kind of queen me is RT? What you tell me, say? Ranish, where my name? You me I can't call him my name.
So Ramesh Entertainment Center.
Yeah, him can't take me up and tell me, say me forgot sing, say me bite one dog body, I me never bite dog body. I want the RT boss, man.
You never do don't play with Sagittarius. You're the worst thing for the class.
That Queenie.
That's an example. So there are many, I'm a song them I'm do. You don't think I listen why I get reach when I reach RT?
You know, I want to get some more money enough to just get you, Amari, and cheese and the whole of it and put Jamaica.
I want to show me one blood clot. My dream is to have movies. I don't like the DJ thing for the mic.
Okay. Have all of we nice show. Jesus.
RT, you will get sponsor now.
It ain't much people in nice show.
Everything in
that would that be a vibes?
That would be a ras. 50 the whole of we nice show.
Yeah, RT want tell me, say no, where am I putting on my brains? You know? Any man with me I work with, remember, you know? You have some little rude producer, you know? We all want to squeeze all your bottom and them little something there, you know? You get me? Yeah.
But Queenie, them, me you now, them, you, all right, first of all, you're a big woman, and them know your mouth. Them not go fuck with you.
Then the response.
Me hot and sexy RT. So what you tell me, say, my listen?